I've had these light bulbs and this light, and
Right.
the one in the kitchen since before Sharon left to visit her kids. We're talking almost 2 years. 2 years. And they're still working. Haven't changed these or the ones in the kitchen. Normally, the old days, they would have burned out long ago, you know? It's amazing.
Run of it real quick.
Yeah, yeah.
Um, so how long have you been painting for?
45 years. Give or take. First guy I worked for was George Weatherby up in Maine. I'm sure he's long gone now. Don't take it personal, all right?
So, how does it feel to have all your bills paid today?
Like relief. I can't think of any other word for it other than just pure, unadulterated relief. Just the world lifted off my shoulders. Good people out there. There are some good people out there. There really are, you know. You forget about it when you sit around and watch the news every night, listen to all the bad stuff, you know. I mean, that's all they throw at you anymore, you know. Nobody ever talks about the good stuff.
If you could say anything to the people who donated, what would you have to say?
Well, aside from the obvious, which is thank you so much. Thank you so very much. Aside from that, you're not just helping me, you're helping my animals too, you know? And they've come to depend on me. How I acquired them all, I don't know. It just so much time has gone by, and they just seem to pop up, and they needed somebody to feed them, and need somebody to care for them and love them, and I just happened to be there. And I'm a sucker for animals. Always have been, ever since I was a toddler. Always been a sucker for animals. I can't stand seeing animals or kids abused or mistreated or neglected. So when I see them, if there's any possible way I can take them in and help them out, then I do it. But just thank you. Just thank you so much.